Okay, we have this MSI. So they're telling us the laptop dies when the charger is disconnected. They've created a test account for us. Let's have a look what does battery info and Nearsoft tells us. It says 71% health, current capacity 84.9. So what gives? So if I disconnect it, what's going to happen? Discharge rate 0. There's no power going in or going out. So I'm going to disconnect it. 3, 2, 1. It shuts off. Oh Jesus! This one has a. I know this model has a hinge issue, and this particular one is already developing it. Crazy. Okay. I've done a hinge job on these guys before. They're very painful. These screws are missing. That's annoying. We need to be told if something has been worked on. And they haven't told us that. Okay. Warranty sticker has come out. Okay. Be right back. MSI, why such a weird design? Seriously. What a weird company, eh? Hmm. One thing we do know from history is that is that there is a component there, like a diode or something, there that fails. Battery says, no, I'm out of here, okay? No charge. Yeah, we'll get a new battery anyway. And see what happens. Be back.